P356765 octa-core processor. It is also available in fantasy white and mystery black shades. In addition, it is also available in a 6GB RAM size variant. It has 4GB RAM and 64GB inbuilt memory with 256GB expandable storage. The device allows for dual SIM functionality with 4G support. It sports a 6.5-inch water-drop screen display with 89% screen-to-body ratio and 1600 by 720 resolution with 269 ppi density. The OPPO A31 features a 12+2+2 megapixels triple rear camera and an 8 megapixels front camera. It operates on the ColorOS 6.1 operating system based on the Android version 9. The phone is powered by a 4230 mAh lithium polymer battery. It measures 16.4 by 0.8 by 7.6 centimeters and weighs 180 grams. The box includes a handset, USB cable, SIM tray ejector, pre-applied screen protector and protective case, warranty card and quick guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.